Hello. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to get around after a foot or ankle injury without the use of crutches. There are several hands-free crutches available, and I'm going to show you the one that I recommend for my patients. And at the end of this video, I will share with you the superfood that has been used for thousands of years to promote healing of bones, tendons, and ligaments. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, and herbalist. I'm certified in Acupoint Physical Medicine and Pet Acupressure Therapy. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified as new videos come out. I recommend the iWALK hands-free crutch to anyone who's recovering from a foot or ankle injury. The iWALK hands-free crutch is surprisingly easy to use. A few years ago, I fractured my foot in 2 places. And after the fractures were attended to, I was given some crutches to get around. Like most people, I found them very uncomfortable. I had pain in my hands, soreness in my arms, and I felt out of balance. As a matter of fact, I was so out of balance that I slipped while I was using the crutches and pulled the muscle in my upper leg. This just wasn't working for me, so I looked around, and fortunately I was able to find the iWALK hands-free crutch online, and I ordered one. It came fast and had clear directions on how to assemble. It also included some simple exercises that you can use to train yourself on how to use it. It is sturdy and well built. After about 15 minutes of practice, I was able to walk without crutches, and my hands were free to do other things. And after 2 days, I was going up and down stairs. I put a link below for the iWALK website where you can get a lot more information. Bone broth is a superfood for supporting bones, joints, as well as skin and gut health. And I suggest 3 cups a day until your foot and ankle are fully healed. Here is my recipe for making bone broth. Put a chicken carcass, a turkey carcass, or bones of any kind in a pot. Add water until the bones are just covered. Add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar or lemon juice and let it sit for 30 minutes. This helps break down the bones and helps make the nutrients more bioavailable. Then add carrots, kale, garlic, celery, and parsley if you want to. You can also add 1 or 2 cut up lemons or apples. Bring to a boil and let simmer for 24 hours. Then strain the broth. For extra flavor, you can add spices like turmeric, curcumin, oregano, basil, and/or parsley. Prepared broth will keep in the refrigerator for 3 days, and frozen broth can be stored for up to 6 months. For those who prefer the convenience of a wafer, I suggest Calcifood by Standard Process because it is cold processed. Calcifood is rich in nutrients and enzymes. I suggest 6 wafers a day till your ankle or foot is healed. To get Calcifood 20% lower than Amazon prices and to support my channel, click on the link in the description below. Now that you know how to get rid of crutches, let's show you a video on how to reduce ankle and foot pain and to promote healing. I put it right up here. Check it out.